Are you listening? Are you feeling with your soul? Can you though? Are you distracted? Can you make your heart whole? Is that your goal? The cruelty of words can leave you scarred and so alone. A patchwork of memories in the darkness you have sown. There's no protection from the harm that some can do, that some have done. It doesn't matter if you falter, if you fall, you are not wrong. So take a moment to remember and find your peace. Your time will come. Know the strength that's in your weakness. There is light. Hope has not gone. The cruelty of words can leave you scarred and so alone. A patchwork of memories in the darkness you have sown. Each tattered fragment stitched together, laid on your bed. And as you dream, soothe the storm that's in your head. Oh, I can teach you how to take a thread of empathy and let them be. And I can help you to dry your eyes so you can see. You have to let them be. And I can't change you, but I can show you how to be free and how to let them be. Hope will heal you and make sense of what was done. You can learn from their hatred how to be kind, how to be strong. You can learn how to be kind, how